Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, video before this one would be me going up to Baber and going to a poker run, and then I was going to come out to the dunes the next day, and I broke. So I wound up coming out to the dunes with my buddies. I'm just going to ride along with them over there. A couple of dirt bikes, a couple side-by-sides, just gonna ride along, maybe catch some good videos of some jumping, do a little exploring, and make the best of it. You know, and I was just pointing the camera down at some side-by-sides that were right there coming down that road. And then I look back and realize that, hey, it's still pointing at me. Anyway, we're going to get loaded up. We'll go out and do some riding and see if we can catch some cool jumps or something like that. And this is a little campground up here at Hauser, right by the dunes. All right, I'm going to load up. This is right where they do the Huck Fest and the Willie Fest, all that. Where they are is the run-up area. It doesn't have a lip on it like it normally does because they use a dozer to make it perfect for the UTV takeover, but there is a little bump there, so we'll see what happens. He's going for it. A little distance. Alright, let's see if I can zoom in. An airport over there. Gets a little grainy. That's 10 times zoom. Yeah, at the airport. At the trellis for the train right there. And the bridge going into North Bend. and Coos Bay over there. So you got northbound Coos Bay over that way. But that's a pretty good sized little airport right there. Yeah. Yeah. All right, well, we wound up just going around between Boxcar Campground and the Hauser there, looking for places for the boys to jump. Then towards the end of the video, if you're paying attention, you would have heard two strokes. So the boys met a couple guys up there, and then they started jumping. And then right at the end, they were saying there's a brush jump where you go up a grassy knoll and then you jump, you can land on the other side. So as we were coming up, that's what he tried hitting, but there's a little dip at the bottom and it messed them all up. And then they kept trying and trying, and by that time it was getting late. We were ready to go. So they were just trying to make a cool jump out of, you know, something different, but it just had a little G-out spot at the bottom, so you couldn't really get a run. Anyway, that's what we did that day. It was a beautiful day down there. There was hardly anyone there for being the end of a 4-day weekend. And we got there at, I want to say it was 9:30 in the morning. And that campground was pretty much cleared out. And all the other ones were pretty much cleared out. I don't know, people must get really tired on a 4-day weekend and leave first thing in the morning. So anyway, so next video should be me working on that general, trying to figure out that clutch. Done a little bit on it, but I'll show you stuff about that in the next video. All right, hope you enjoyed. We'll catch you on the next one. See ya.